This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Candy Crush on your laptop. Many people enjoy the vibrant puzzles and challenging levels of Candy Crush Saga, and playing it on a larger screen can truly enhance the experience. We'll explore both official and unofficial methods, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite Match 3 game with ease. Get ready to dive into the sweet world of Candy Crush from the comfort of your desktop or laptop. One of the simplest ways to play Candy Crush on your laptop is through your web browser. Simply navigate to the official King website, where you can access Candy Crush Saga directly. Make sure your browser is up to date for the best performance. You can also log in with your King account to seamlessly sync all your game progress, ensuring you never lose your hard-earned levels or boosters across any device you use. If you prefer a more app-like experience, consider using an Android emulator. Programs like BlueStacks or Nox Player create a virtual Android environment on your laptop. After installing your chosen emulator, you can open its built-in Google Play Store and download Candy Crush Saga just as you would on a phone or tablet. This method allows you to enjoy the mobile version of the game with the added benefits of a larger screen and keyboard or mouse control. To truly optimize your Candy Crush experience on a laptop, a few tips can make a big difference. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during gameplay. Adjusting your laptop's display settings can also enhance visual clarity, making those colorful candies pop even more. Finally, using a mouse often provides more precise control than a trackpad, helping you make those critical moves with greater accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.